So we've booked a standard room at the DoubleTree by Hilton, which is at SeaWorld, and you can see it's a very big room, lots and lots of space. So behind me, I've just literally walked into the room. We're on the ground floor with a view of the car park. It's nice and sunny here in Florida. The AC is in full kick because it's absolutely sweltering outside. We have a nice big chair, which you're gonna have to excuse our stuff because we've been moving hotels, so we've not really packed properly. Get 2 big double beds, you get a little desk with a lamp and a mirror, hey. This is a map of the resort. You get cookies on check-in and our room keys. We have a big TV, we have lots of drawers for storage. Ooh, a bit stiff. You've got a safe underneath the bedside cabinet, and then you've got charging points both on the lamp and the wall. In here we have a fridge, I think we do. So plenty of room for a fridge. Then you've got, is this complimentary water? Enjoy 2 free bottles of water on every stay. There you go, complimentary water. And then we've got like tea and coffee making facility. They actually have English breakfast tea, woohoo, win. And some coffee. This little area is where I've dumped my stuff, so you've got more storage space there. Charging points on the wall and a temperature control. Very, very big mirror, sink. And then you've got extra towels, a laundry bag, extra toilet roll. We have, ooh, nice soap. Crab treat and Evelyn, and hand lotion and towels. And you've got like some storage space here, which has got an ironing board. Oh, there's another safe. Is that a safe underneath there as well? If so, we have 2 safes. I said there was a safe. I've got, oh, apparently it's a microwave. We have a microwave between the bedside tables, not a safe, as I previously said. Sorry. And you come into the bathroom, there is a full-length mirror on the door. Hello, hi. And then it's quite a small bathroom, but it's what you need. It's got one of these like pulley things that you can put your swimsuits into to dry. We've got good toiletries, so conditioner, shampoo and shower gel. And Alistair has already run the shower and says it's a powerful one. And that's the room tour.